Here's a shot of tree with a firework on a separate layer. If we want to see through all this black color, we'll justify work. We could change the mode of this layer from normal to screen. But it makes the firework look very washed out, so let's undo that. Instead, double-click in the Layers panel, and the Layer Style dialog appears in this bottom section. It will blend if controls. If we drag the left-hand triangle under this layer to the right, then everything that's darker than this value is hidden. But if we zoom in, we can see there's a very sharp cutoff in here. If you hold down Option or Out and click on the triangle, you can separate it into two. Now everything darker than the left triangle position is hidden. Everything brighter than the right triangle position is visible. And so we've taken out all black, but let's try and tuck it behind the tree as well. In the Underline Layer section, drag the triangle again and drag it to the right. And now everything darker than this value. In the layer underneath the firework is hidden on the firework layer. Once again, we can hold Option or Out to split this into two, and we get a much smoother gradation when we click OK and zoom out again. There's our firework very strong against that sky. We can pick it up and move it behind the tree. And the tree is hidden on the firework layer without making extra layers, just by using those advanced blending controls. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.